Slippage refers to the difference between the expected price and the executed price of a trade. It most likely occurs when market orders are used during periods of higher volatility, or a large order is executed without enough volume at the chosen price. When an order is executed, the security is traded at the most favorable price offered by exchanges or market makers. This can produce results that are more favorable, equal to, or less favorable than the intended execution price. Thus, there can be positive slippage, no slippage, or negative slippage. For example, say Apple's bid-ask prices are posted as 183.50 over 183.53 on the broker interface. A market order for 100 shares is placed, with the intention the order gets filled at 183.53. However, microsecond transactions by computerized programs lift the bid-ask spread to 183.54 over 183.57 before the order is filled. The order is then filled at 183.57, incurring 4.00 per 100 shares negative slippage. In trading, a limit order can prevent negative slippage. However, if the price does not return to the limit level, there will be an inherent risk of the trade not being executed. This risk increases in situations where market fluctuations occur more quickly, significantly limiting the amount of time for a trade to be completed at the intended execution price. MC900 is a self-developed and advanced trading platform. Our technology can prevent most slippage and execute your market orders in microseconds. Thus, traders can enjoy a smooth trading experience.